problem was hardware. One day, Mike decided to do an audit on all outgoing machines and found out that I've sent 4 units skipping his extra checks. He told me that he will write me up for it, but when he tried, GM told him that he's not a manager yet, and I have shown to the GM that I followed the corporate procedure in diagnosing these units. I thought that was the end of this, but I was sorely mistaken. Mike hated that I showed to GM that Mike's procedure was inefficient and that he was denied power over me. About a month later, I got a call from Mike, asking if I could come to the store on my day off, because there was an issue with a customer. When I came in, I was greeted by Mike with an SH-eating grin, and he told me to wait in the back, and not to work on any computers. After about an hour, Mike and Brittany come in, and asked me to head to the front office. They started an official write-up process, and claimed that I've made a mistake creating a backup of customers' data, and have placed a DVD with no data on it, into the box that was returned to customer, and then wiped his PC clean. I knew that it was BS, since I always copied the data to an external hard drive, run antivirus to make sure that nothing bad got copied, and then burn DVDs. Yet when I asked to check the external hard drive, Mike said that due to my negligence, I was not allowed back in the tech area. He went to check the hard drive and said there was nothing on it. At that point I knew he was BSing, but him and Brittany were heck bent on completing the write-up. I've asked for a senior management to be present, and was shot down again. Turns out GM was on vacation. They completed the write-up and told me that due to the egregious error that cost the company tens of thousands of dollars, I was not allowed to work in the tech room, and I would be relegated back to the sales floor. I told them to shove it and submitted my resignation on the spot. I later found out that a week later, they gave the customer the data that was on the hard drive all this time. Mike simply erased the DVDs. I grabbed a DVD-RW by mistake for that backup, and waited for the customer to come back and complain. I've also called the corporate HR line and told them what happened. They said that since I quit with a letter of resignation, they would not launch an investigation, but they've received and recorded my complaint. Through luck and the fact that I was a good hardware tech, I landed a job at a shop that did hardware repairs a week later, and started in another week. Turns out this depot was the service center that covered the entire district, and they had the master contract with the big box chain where I worked. Since I've worked as the tech in that store, I was more than familiar with their labeling and ticketing system. For tracking purposes, the label included the store and technician number. After a couple of weeks, I gathered some goodwill at my new job, and started trading the units with my colleagues to work on as many units from my old store as possible. Over the next 3 months, I made sure that every single unit sent in by Mike would come back with an extra charge. Also, it turned out that Mike, since he was in charge of shipping, would sometimes steal other technicians' tickets to boost his personal performance numbers to secure that manager promotion. Well, that bit him in the A hard. There was one week in particular when he sent in over 15 units out of 20 to get fixed, and 15 units came back with extra software charges. I've also kept the detailed records that prove that Mike did not follow his own policy of extra checks. When the performance figures came out for that quarter, store crashed into 5th place for number 1. Mike missed out on his promotion, and a big bonus that was promised to him. A good buddy of mine from the store got the manager position a few months after that, and I've explained to him how to reduce the number of software changes to almost 0, so he looked like a superstar. Mike was first relocated to lead technician, then he was either let go or he quit. I'm not sure. Last I heard, he started his own mobile technician business that folded after a year. What I didn't know is that this whole incident with Mike effing up led the GM to review everything Mike did, including my write-up and dismissal. As it turns out, they didn't even register the write-up since I quit on the spot, and buried it. The only way GM was able to find it is because of the HR complaint that was filed against both Mike and Brittany. The GM was not pleased that they went behind his back to get rid of someone, and fired Brittany. He was a very decent man, who called me later that day and apologized, and even offered me my old job back. I thanked him, but I was making more money at the new place, and did not have to deal with customers, so I passed. The next story is, pregnant coworker gets her just desserts. So, I worked in this small family-owned office that runs 24/7. There's about 25 employees total, but in the office there's only like 12 of us. The rest work off-site. There's a woman who works here, we'll call her Jill. Jill is almost 40, and has been here for about 10 years. For reference, I've been here just over 4 years. Since I've been hired, and from what I hear for her entire employment, she's never agreed to switch shifts with anyone. Not once. Not a single time has she ever done anyone a favor, no matter what. Yet she has no issue constantly asking other people to switch shifts with her. Well, she always did take a shift from whatever person she was switching with, to keep the hours even for all, but it was only when she needed it, and not the other way around. And it would always be within the same work week since we get paid by the hour. So ultimately, it wasn't like the person working this shift instead of that shift, all within the same week, was doing them any favors in the end. She asks to switch shifts all the time, but won't agree to switch shifts when someone else needs to, is what I'm trying to say. As in, she works their shift and they work her shift. The only way to return that favor is to agree to switch shifts with them the next time they need it, which she does not do.